Hey Atlanta property viewers, today we are on the southwest side of Atlanta at a new construction single family community, Mableton Station. This community was built by Dr. Horton, and this is the Manning floor plan. This floor plan has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and 2,200 square feet. Properties in this neighborhood start in the mid 400s. If you have any interest in real estate in the Atlanta metro area, please don't hesitate to call or text me. My contact and consultation link is below. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.